And up next, we're gonna shoot some eggplants because nobody likes.
Are you Scott with Kentucky Ballistics?
Yeah.
I am a Terminator sent from the future to terminate you.
What? Why?
In the year 2050, aliens invade Earth. They're from a planet called Eggplant-topia. They saw all of your videos of destroying eggplants and decided to declare war on Earth. I was sent from the future to terminate you and save humanity.
So you're from the future and you're a robot.
I am a robot. I have no emotions and I cannot tell a lie.
Okay, well, what's your favorite food?
WD-40.
What's your biggest fear?
I have no fears.
What's your weakness?
Water, H2O, I cannot get wet.
Sucker! What's up, everybody? My name is Scott and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics. We're back out on the range and today I have a very, very cool shotgun to show you. This is the Iwi Tavor Ts12. This is a 12 gauge shotgun that looks like it would be out of Halo or something like that. I tried one of these out over the summer and I fell in love with it, and I've wanted to really get some time in with one for a while now. So I finally got one and I'm super excited to try it out. Like I said, it's a 12 gauge shotgun, but this thing has 3 rotating tubes. Each hold 5 rounds of 2 3/4 inch 12 gauge or 4 3-inch shells. Really, really cool, and it's semi-automatic. Every time you rotate that tube, bolt goes forward and you just keep firing. So you have 15 rounds of 12 gauge in a very small package. I am really, really pumped to try this thing out, so let's go get started. So the first thing I want to do with this is see how fast I can dump all 3 tubes. You can load this on both sides, and I'm going to be using some birdshot first. I mean, there is an ammo shortage right now, so we're going to start out with birdshot. It should run it just fine. I think they said the minimum should be 1,200 feet per second. Also, there's a gas adjustment on this thing. For 2 3/4 inch, you should be using low, and if you're gonna use 3-inch shells, they recommend to put it on high. All right, that took long enough.
You just got jammed.
Got a jam. Well, other than that one hang-up, that wasn't too bad. I mean, we are shooting birdshot. I'm not really sure what the velocity was on that birdshot. We need to shoot some double-aught buck and slugs and really see how it holds up. Okay, so now I'm loaded up with 15 rounds of Federal Power Shot double-aught buck, and it's moving at 1,325 feet per second, so we should be good. Pull it! Bump it! Twist it! Okie dokie. That's enough skill targets. Just shake them up. Let's just start out with a few 2 liters and a couple water jugs. Okay, I'm loaded up with the double-aught buck again. Where am I hitting? Okay, so I'm gonna have to aim high. Okay, off to a rough start. Just real quick, let me see where our pattern's at. I want to aim right there at the top. When I sighted this in, I had it sighted in a little bit high, but that was with slugs. So I'm not really sure where I was hitting with the double-aught buck, but now I know. Speaking of slugs, let's hit these cinder blocks with a couple of them. Okay, it's time to move on to something a little more eventful. So I've got a bunch of nacho cheese, some gravy, and some baked beans. Dang it.
You just got jammed.
Next up is Eggplant, because nobody likes Eggplant. Pull. Pull. And that right there, folks, is how I got kicked out of our local shooting club. So up next, I have something rather disgusting. This is 4 gallons of gravy, and there's still about a gallon of water in there. Should be extra gross. Oh! That's nasty. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty disgusting. Guess what time it is? That was triple hot buck, by the way. I think it's only appropriate that I try to clean some of this up. Ugh. So pretty much all the jams I've had today have been with bird shot. And I really want to see if I can dump all 3 tubes as fast as I can without having a jam. So I've got a mix of double-aught buck, triple-aught buck, and slugs that I'm going to load into here. And we're going to see if we can do that a little bit faster than the first time without having a jam. It's just really hard getting used to switching these cylinders, but once you get used to that, man, you can really throw some lead down range. I know you've been waiting through this entire video just so you can hear who won the 1 million subscriber giveaway. Well, Griffin from Arizona, you are the winner. Congratulations. Didn't know my mother-in-law was out here. As for today's video, that's gonna be it. What did you think about the Iwi Tavor Ts12? Leave your answers in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video as much as I did, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to Kentucky Ballistics, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also be sure and check me out on Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And be sure to check out Kentucky Ballistics clothing. Links to all those can be found in the description down below or on my website, KentuckyBallistics.com. Again, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics, and I'll see you next time.